Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit your logos in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you want to do is upload your logo into Canva, and that is done here. You can go into uploads and you can click here to choose the files you want to upload, or you can just manually drag and drop them from your computer into this page once you open up a new project. Now, once you upload your logo, it will be a solid image, and if I enter this image here, let's say this image of a dog is my logo. As you can see, it is a completely solid image. I cannot move anything around within the image. I can only move it around in itself. However, you have a lot of tools at your disposal to edit the logo in whichever creative ways you can think of. You have the drawing tools, you have these pens, markers, erasers, whatever it is that you would like. Let's say this, for example. As you can see, I can draw over it and do a lot of different things. Now, if I select that drawing, it is a completely different entity to the actual photo. If I want to make it one, I can just select both and click group, and as you can see, they are now together, which I can also ungroup them and group them, as you can see, very easily. And you can also add a couple of shapes. For example, you can add a circle, as you can see with this here example. I'll just put it in my photo, and if this happens, what you want to do is go right click on the photo, go into layer, and send it backwards into a backwards layer, and then you can just hover over it and again group it if you would so choose. And as you can see, now all those elements are part of the same picture. You can also do a couple of different things. You also have shapes or frames which you can put the photos in. For example, let's say this triangle, and since this is an entirely well, pretty much singular entity, you can put it in, but as you can see, it'll only put the image in there. You cannot put the actual elements there. But if I ungroup them, and for example, let's say I want to for some reason it still doesn't want to ungroup, let's say like this, group and ungroup, and it's still together, but let's say I just want to do this. As you can see, now I can take these elements, group them together, and now I can right click the, well, change picture in the frame, send backwards again, or send into the second plan or the background or whatever it is. Again, sorry for this not being in English. I can't set it up for it to be in English. And then you can just put that, put those elements into the front. Again, you can group them up if you would so choose. And yeah, that's pretty much some ideas on how you can edit your logo. Once you upload it, you can do whatever you want. You're limited by your creativity only. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.